Okay, after we've worked on our introduction, let's add in our conclusion. Okay, so conclusions are really just let's wrap this up. Okay, let's wrap this up. This is the final time you're talking to your reader. And remember, what do I want to teach this person about my subject? What do I want to teach my reader about my subject? And ask yourself, what do you really want your readers to remember? Okay, this is your last time talking to them. Okay, this is not a thank you for reading, thanks, bye. No, do not do that. Okay, don't do that. Just give them the facts. Give them this is like the one place that you can kind of put in your opinion. Okay, so I'm just going to start it with really, I want you to remember what I think about Malala. Malala Yousafzai is a very strong and inspirational woman. Okay, so that is a statement that does kind of have my opinion in there. Okay, now do I think anybody's just going to disagree with me? I don't know. I really don't think so, but I'm sure there are people, probably the Taliban, who will disagree with me. But so I'm still I can kind of put my opinion in my conclusion. Okay, Malala is, I think I'm just going to say she. I don't think I need her name so many times. She is fighting to make the world a better place through education. She wants everyone to be able to get a great education and change their own world. Okay, so that's what she wants. So I can put that in my conclusion. Okay. And I can talk about her accomplishments right here. Okay. She is the youngest Nobel Peace Prize recipient and has inspired a generation. She is a beacon of hope, and we can all learn valuable lessons from her. And I'm going to end it with a quote. As Malala says, once again, if I have a quote, I have to say who said it. Make sure you do that. Go double check all your quotes and make sure that if you have a quote, you give credit to that quote. Now, I know we talked about if it's a person, tell the person. If it's just a website, just tell the website. Give the most information that you have. Okay. As Malala says, one child, one teacher, one book, and one pen can change the world. Okay, so that's what I want my readers to remember. I want them to remember that how important education is, and that one child, one teacher, one book, and one pen can change the world. That's what I want, that you to remember how important Malala is and how important education is. That's my final thoughts on this. When you are writing your conclusion, okay, you might have a call to action because you guys are writing about bullying, child labor, animal abuse. Your call to action might be telling people these are ways you can help. Okay, these are ways you can help your environment. This is how you can help. Just kind of doing a call to action like that. I made a connection back to my introduction with she's fighting to make the world a better place. And I'm hopefully tying everything together where these are my final thoughts about my topic. I wasn't really able to put in my thoughts before, but now I am. But as I'm putting in my thoughts, do you see the word I? No, you do not. Okay, so I'm kind of tricky about putting in my thoughts, and Malala Yousafzai is a very strong and inspirational woman. I didn't say I think she is, I just said she was. Okay, I just said she was. Now, it's obviously what I'm thinking, but I don't need to put myself in there. Okay, let's try to write these introductions. Remember, ask yourself, what do I want my readers to remember?